Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete a page in Google Docs, and I'll actually show you 3 different ways. One of the ways is when you find that there's actually empty space here by mistake in your Google Docs, and then the other page starts way after. So if you want to get rid of this space, make sure you come here, click on View, and toggle this off, the print layout. And then we see this gray line. We want to go ahead and delete that, okay? So come here right after the gray line and press the backspace or delete button. So we've gotten rid of that. And now if I come back to print layout, you can see that issue has been fixed. Now, if you see a blank page, it's very easy to go ahead and delete this. You just come here at the start of the page, you can just press the delete button on your keyboard. And if you want to delete a page with text in here, so as you can see, this document has 2 pages. If I want to delete this, I just highlight this whole page. If I come here all the way to the bottom, and then I just press delete or backspace on my keyboard, and there you go. That page has been deleted as well. And it's really that easy and simple.